John Mahama unsu Jimmy. Ube lusu. Cause mo ya mwa den no Jimmy sa kwasia bill dada na da wakufu ado ansan. Moma John Mahama kwasia no di ka mtela Trumu no mkosan. Enti nwan aden tina moma John Mahama kraman ni nsan ade no. Sekre John Mahama kwasia no osi oni ntrum na oni obi atrum a oni Sam George mwa no omusi omuni obi atrum a aden tina omuntime nsan.
Enti I like the new face of social media. So be can sembi na later obey you turn na masa obejene woto. Finally, the almighty Twene Jonas obey be say no be some comment say Penyah efa LGBTQ now parliament HSC ntimi pass no. Twene esi dey Twene abekasa. Enyo no nko a only TikTokers no o ma be fire in fact Sam George wonya me score. O ma blast Sam George esi ni bibia. Me man chiri mo no akere wadwen amame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Meso say any dey mo over like this video no that my subscribe button so na be click notification icon no latest update na be chire wadwen dey amame e wo comment section. Meso so baso no a share video for so enya bi ahwe. Enti anti-LGBTQ plus bill yenim say Sam George e dey go Ghana Parliament. Obi ani bi go fa bi we free buy ba odun e dey ko no no dey chire ku for the minute e ku for the ensign sign. Omodi kwanya no munya ni mo say sign bi we ya 48 e to betwa bosi akura ye ntimi enko omumaye ko omrofo no Trumu ye nie Trumu no ehia wo mu e so betwa mo mo na say onsa so we charge arrent bo obra was one ware dia no to plate ene Sam George e dey e ku for the sign e ku for empesa obe sign e ku for edinu Trumu oyege she say whole lot of useless and stupid allegations e no make here e ma ye ko election ye busa ne say what you say Mahama so bana wan sign ko Mahama ko ye interview BBC Emma Hokwalo could make a twist or could make a twist in his submission regarding anti-LGBTQ plus bill no ne passing or could make a twist. You would just say na Mahama ebana wan senya obeka day. Some can say Mahama will know no peace. Just obey Mahama tough time on the internet.
Lastly, on the LGBT issues, I mean, if you get a nod, how far would you hope to push it? The president, your candidate, when he was interviewed on the BBC, he said he would now look into what is in that bill.
You know, that's a misconception that's been put out. And I listened to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill.
But with your Ghana Parliament, you know. Minority ko bill no say just say just say we fanton chayansa ye nya botransa the bill na no mu yehu dede o ma ba ben mu na mo super majority obi akura on pozi mo na mo ye de mo pe because bi say mo je foreigners kura no ma fa me fa parliament just say mo betima ye bibi abra emfa parliament e di aden na LGBTQ plus bill mo pass mo sense as go mo ni yan ana mo sense ase aden na mo sense ase na eno and as a media and so Twene Jonas the almighty oni onuamo TikTokers abefa ya in fact ensimu ka je Sam George de enya semkuma
John Mahama unsu Jimmy. Ube lusu. Cause mo ya mwa ene ma unse Ghana Parliament abamba bi mu nyina mu ni twase ma ti se makotena Parliament say mo de LGBTQ bill foforo ba aden no ma Jimmy sa kwasia bill dada na da wakufu ado ansan Moma John Mahama kwasia na odi ka mtela Trumu no mkosan na munye Jimmy say yensanko westi sika obi a muni sika muni tua tichafo muni sika muni tua nurse yensanko westi sika nkoto aba emeye ayi abra ya to aba wi aka president kekeni epe na manasan enti nwan adenti na moma John Mahama kraman ni nsan ade no sekre John Mahama kwasia no osi oni ntrum na oni obi atrum a oni Sam George mwa no omusi omuni obi atrum a adenti na omuntime nsan ya pass ya de na wie kwasia parliament no nya bamba be mu ne to aba no nya omo aneda so guo emwa e de ntine nsan ko westi sika ebetimi ni akoma tichafo akokire nkura de sika ebetimi ni akototwo ko school sika ebetimi ni ama nurse fo ade ato aduane adi no matinya ko mpane asevu nipa nkwa no yensan fa nkose no nkoto aba ade na moye mwa ndc ade no magimi sa enti maban na bai 10 months muntua nurse fo ka mu se moye mwa 10 months muntua teacher fo ka ntimu se moye mwa 10 months police fo nyina ase muntua mu ka ntimu se moye mwa Nana Kwame was say Sam George said was Nana Kwame subscribe but Bianco Twene Stephen Ongo subscribe. So I had a comment by my own my body. I say Sam George said no one should ask him about the Trumu again. In the chassis, Sam George. I call you Sam George or can question you. I may be attacking me, maybe or tomato, maybe or tina. What's your way demonstration after demonstration? I am fire, but I am by a bit Trumu. I could forward you didn't Trumu to know to him. I call it and no pay real number and quasi a demonstration, Sam George. Now, why the mother, Munko child, the enemy, there be my Jimmy. Mo penny per real D levy. I'm Mamma Petru, why the D levy, Muafi and fee one and Becca, and you answer movie any pa. A crown for your mamma crown for Techiamwa, Mo pe D levy area, you answer movie any pa. Moi, stupid people. A day in a dear yempe, a say your quarter, a dear yempe, and untina and quasia for me, I'm seeing to Abama Mua. Near to Abama Mamunchama and Unsua, Wui. Oko a Christopher, Omuchi Trumu, and Cramofochi Trumu, Obiachi, and Untia call Parliament yet to about Biasi income, and Tia Peman Penyah Mamo, beside your mamma Quasia Tipasi, your mamma Jimmy for what Bacosaya Diana, Moody Jimmy Aquatan say, Yen Sanfa bill for Franco, Yen Sanko we see taxpayers' money, Sika yen yam Pietcha Foka, Sika yen yam fun pianes of Foka, Adenamuya Mua. A brass anquasia for a bambabe mo, a finyo markings mo, any Haruna Idrisu Quasia, or could your tab black anquasia for one and good parliament order that, and a mamma to a basamumpe, and Tidian and San Franco, yen Sanfa, Belfo from Meramubu, our parliament or more, Mwesi taxpayers money view, and Sanko Tranco num team conum Quasia, the Abra, Nessinia, Wompania 10 months, and this for more by Muntin Pianica. NDC form one by Muntintian Cabra, your mama $8 billion go qua.
Anyway, probably 2024 elections, and your man, a dint mind, and was our election about LGBTQ plus. When you, I be you know that. Nah, LGBTQ plus, no, and once a month I shall be. Now, all one dear, dear, Jinem, a swas as some new woman metriso. And then they are running away from it. Now, me know what they just say. Parliament, I resume your more year Juma. And now other people now, one more year Juma no. And the MPP for Bomodia, as I confer LGBTQ plus bill, not some better so. My young way to make in every and some bill no about better or dinosaur. I just why you want Jumania, don't want you in every. I've almost could do one more back in Kenya. Order now, other people no bill na yire free so. Ane bill no ayire free so. Eh. Na mo ko bra owu no mo so mpafe na mo nam. NDC amanyoko in 2024 were all over. Minyi watwe nyadoa ewo NDC amanyoko from Mampani Mahama John so ebesi wo mu afu soldiers a wo mu gu apuesu nyina. They were pressing the neck of Adedankwa Akufo-Addo so hard just to sign the bill. Wo mu kan someone who do ma Ghana for the otan any yaw eto abadi tia NPP. Asofo a wo Ghana ha no say gina koka NDC eho ebomu egina wo mu asore dem 24/7 e preach kan samwa kese e de kire Mampani Adedankwa Akufo-Addo to the extent say yes yenso ne manyina ekutu pass wo nto aba efenti NPP for granted ye ne sa de ma wo mo when the NDC was in opposition but tie nsemu Sam George e kan.
President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill.
Ampa, Mampani Mahama John, MT clergy, no. What can you say, Assemblies of God? Say no, also can't idea.
Me Judy, my faith is against LGBTQ. Me Assemblies of God, me.
I'm saying, I think Sam George.
President Mahama has read the bill. It's because he's read the bill that he told the clergy that when he becomes president, he will sign the bill, because President Mahama has no problem with anything in the bill.
I don't know, but karma, is working too fast and swift. Na adie baako a ne ama me bo tekra eye blogger bia Minty Sam George ewo Parliament House. Na all busa se patro ti asemu Sam George e ka che blogger no wan te waso a unti ne yie tie ma me.
Nyame ado Charlie bia boko. Eh na we are with the camera see me. LGBTQ will not be passed. Komisa woman, ka woman demand.
So we are suffer. And now we are sorry ba. Na uma ye nuanum we mutimi kansam ma ne dadaw e ma ne hye wakoma e ma woto aba editia good policies and programs are NPP for the buy. The say free SHS and I know something which is there. You've done the service to yourself, to Mother Ghana, and to everyone in this country.
Ebushafo omontu ni go pampram batazande obi anten no obi no webufu nche obi animu ba asemo ken ne yepere yeden oye o position o kechende ndisi oba benima first no be mama ma wa sign e AG2B class no APP wa benim na nado as a lawyer o keche no oye humanity has na yeden yeli an intazem da court into court yeden on decide. But as I will from Bodedi in a cake, you are threatening the president about the LGBTQ plus. When you go to parliament, you are threatening the majority in parliament about the LGBTQ plus. Right now, Wabanaba Power, they are telling you guys to sign up. Mama Kecha and the CCI, you know, as an hunti, they have to reintroduce it. Majority Mahama Yalgason Kakam. The thing was already passed on the previous government. So ankasa abazipana wapele wa the Ghana. MPP for as a lawyers and the staff told you guys, we are dealing with human beings, so let's send this to court. Normal courts naga send this side. No, or threat to president with threat to government in power. See the bullshit transemu fi wan bay e kechere blogger no. On give us a minority in parliament right now because no one open a pass a GTQ plus. You see this, when you know how to about Mama Abbey MPs, when you know how to about Mama Abbey MPs. Since your Mama number no about open iron West Crowdy. Night way and West and the area on a Mama Ocean Ukraine, Ningma.
LGBTQ will not be passed. Komisa woman, ka woman demand.
So God will judge us all according to our deeds. God will judge us all according to our deeds. So Brangani bisa Sam George says, Sam George, minority voting say law no say more pass. So what are you going to do about it? As Sam George catch the program they say onkonko bisa because omune demand they say law you know yen pass it. Onkonko bisa as the whole minister look at how my cheek too cheek hammer will be. Sometimes yani is so disappointed in Sam George because he is very annoying. When him so annoying person.
Listen to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill.
Sam George, the kind of confidence, ni energy, na more opposition, na all fighting against LGBTQ plus and the rest, no. Ye power chop. Ye pursue that kind of confidence, no. Na only wo presidents, no. Only wo presidents, na more ye BBF LGBTQ because me yet say 14 days now, this 14 days, you are going to sign the LGBT bill. Na John Mahama Mahama you can say Assemblies of God in oye Christian into no tolerated that LGBTQ no. Into yes, how I know to make us our BBC not the other express yourself no. Like I really like that. Ye person we yes my why. In the bisawa men too for my end. Yes, the papa. Honorable Minister. Yes, the what?
Breaking news ebusua asama Sam George eda to dwan na ebusua oyembe show enti blogger bi busa no say minority say NDC government no ema president John Mahama pass LGBTQ plus bill no na anu ye ode man ebusua oyem kra be show tiensem a ode to dwa.
What are you demanding from the LGBTQ bill to be passed?
So ebusua oti asem a Honorable Samuel Nate George, MP for Ningo Pram Pram, Edituja, or say, Omunko Busa minority nessans omu, and almost some person president no a pass bill no, which means he's not interested, say bill on the paper pass say pass you. He doesn't care. Joya in 2022-2024 are not all called bad ninano, because no per se, or DCB Ghanaians don't talk about the NDC, and to know when you're the all pairing every. So say bill never pass you, say pass you, or no chimwa. And the children enti minority for no person a pass bill be a ono de o say am fa ne ho a kyerɛ sɛ busua Honorable Samuel Nate George we hypocrite me can kyerɛ
Kyerɛ wadwe ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.